Have you noticed AI is just everywhere on your feed lately? Well, let's break down exactly why. And no, it's not just you. There's a powerful reason for this surge, and it's all about attention. I mean, the data is pretty clear. Public interest in AI has totally spiked, and creators have noticed. And all that curiosity? It leads to a ton of content, with titles that probably look pretty familiar. A lot of them promise to make your life way easier, helping out with school or work. Then you've got the other side of the coin, the content that taps right into our fears about the future. And some videos tackle those really huge questions, like whether these new AIs can actually think. So what's the secret sauce here? Well, it's a surprisingly simple three-part formula. DMOS clickable content almost always follows these 3 steps. Let's get into how it works. Okay, first, it starts by solving a real problem you might have, maybe with work or studying. Next, it goes for the gut, tapping into one of 2 super powerful emotions, hope or fear. On one hand, there's hope for a better future, and on the other, the anxiety of being left behind. And the final piece of the puzzle, it connects to a massive trend. Right now, that trend is AI. So you put it all together and bam, you've got content that's almost impossible to scroll past. So now you know the secret. The only question left is, what are you going to click on next?